Let's take a look at stashing. Now, stashing is a concept where I can just modify the some file, and I maybe don't really need that change, right? So I might just code readme.md, and I'll again make more modifications right here, and something I might not need, right? So I mean, accidentally I just kind of made this change right here. Now, if you go down here and just do a git status, right, it's kind of lying, in your working directory area right here, right? And then I'm going to use something called as git stash as a command. So, stash. And it says save working directory and index state work in progress on master this right here, right? And if I just do a git stash list, that's what I'm going to get. So it's kind of a stash right here, and then work in progress right over here. Now, if I just do a git status again, I mean, the interesting thing to note here is that the changes are kind of no longer there. So I've just kind of ignored those changes, whatever I did, right? And let's just try and do something more. So this code here. Maybe let's go ahead, code test.js, just like, make you see another file right here. And I'll just add one more line here. So another change, save it, close it, and I'll just type here git. Of course, the moment you do it and you do git status, right, the previous change was ignored, but then we have test.js that has been currently modified. So I might just provide a git commit -am and changes to test.js. And this has been kind of committed. But if you just wanted to get the previous change that you stashed, actually, readme, you did some change right now, and just say git stash pop, and you notice what, it just gets the stashed change which you just ignored it temporarily back here again now. So that's how you're going to use stash. You might just ignore the working directory area work that you have done and stash it aside, and then just get it back. So with this, I just had a stash ID only one, but then you could just stash from a whole sort of list. So if I just do git stash again, right, there is nothing available as kind of stash right now, because we all get stashed list maybe, right? So this is the one that has been kind of popped up back here, and then you might just do a commit and close all those changes again. So this is stash. You can ignore your work aside for a while, and just make sure that the other side is possibly updated, and then you can always get back the stashed work again. So that's about stashing. I think we'll go down into the next video, and we're going to talk about little time travel with ref lock and possibly reset. So see you there in the next one.